Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a bold eyeshadow look, and I thought I would just step out of my comfort zone and do something a little bit different. So if you like this video, then please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video, and let's just get started. So I've already done my foundation and everything, and I am testing out the new L'Oreal Infallible stick foundations, and I did use the Shape It kit as well. But for eyeshadow I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Soft palette, and I've got a hair in it. And this is what the shades look like. And I'm also going to be going in with the NYC palette, and it just looks like this. I do not know how to pronounce that, so I'm just going to leave it down below. So to start with, I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to pick up this shade here, and I'm just going to put this in my crease just so that everything blends out nicely. Next I'm going to be going in with this pink shade, and I'm just going to put this in my crease as well, and I'm going to try not bring it far down because I do already have my foundation and everything done, and I don't want to mess it up. And I'm just going to keep on building this colour up until I get it to how I want it. Then I'm going to go in with a, a big fluffy brush and just blending out the edges so that it looks a little more seamless. And just while I'm using this shade, I'm just going to take a smaller brush and apply this onto the lower lash line. Next I'm going to be going in with this palette. I'm going to use the blue, and I'm going to use a smaller brush, and I'm going to put this right in the crease. I'm just going to keep on building this colour up as well. Then I'm just going to go back in with that brush that we used for the pink, and I'm just going to blend it out. And now I'm going to go in with some more of that blue. And then just going to take that big fluffy brush again and just going to blend everything out again. Now I'm going to go in with this purpley shimmery shade, and I'm going to put this all over my eyelid. It's not really showing up, so I'm going to pack it on. I'm going to go in with a slightly smaller flat brush and take this, I was going to say gold, silver shade, and I'm going to just put this right in the centre, just to do like kind of like a spotlight eye. Then I'm going to go in with more of that pink, just to try and get some pink back because it is looking very purple. I'm going to take some of this white shade and I'm going to put this along underneath my eyebrow to brighten the area back up. And then I'm just going to go in with a clean blending brush and blend that out. I'm going to go in with more of the blue and I'm going to use this angled brush and I'm just going to put this right in the crease. Just so that we can see it, because we did kind of lose it when blending everything out. It did just turn purple because it mixed with the pink shade. And then I'm just going to go back in with that first brush that we used and just blending this very outer edge with just soft circular motions. So I feel like it's looking very purple, so I'll just give you a little close up of it now, and I do still need to blend the edges and everything out, but I feel like it's looking far too purple. So I think I'm going to go back in with that that silver eyeshadow, and I'm going to spray my brush just to see if it will come off more silver. And I'm going to take this all the way into the inner corner this time. So I feel like that doesn't look as dark, it looks better. I'm going to go in with some more of that purple and put it on the outer corner of my eye. So I'm just going to go in with the brush that I used to cover up my eyebrows with the concealer, and I haven't put any extra concealer on the brush. I'm just using whatever's left over, and I'm just going to neaten up the edges. I'm going to go in with a really tiny eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to blend in circular motions here, just to blend the colours together a bit better. So since the blue hasn't really came out on my eyes, I'm going to use that on my lower lash line. Or should I not do that? Do you think that would ruin it? I'm just going to do it anyway. So I think I'll just start on the outer corner just to see how it looks. So it is just going on purple, so I'm just going to do that to the outer corner of my lower lash line, and then leave the rest of it with that pink that I put down. And there isn't a lot of fallout, there is only a couple of wee dots on my cheek there, and I'm just going to take my powder brush and swipe that away, and then go back in with my fluffy brush just to really blend those edges out again. I'm going to go in with this shade here, and I'm going to take this on a flat brush, and I'm going to put this in my inner corners because I do really want to highlight the area since the eyeshadow is so dark. and putting some of this on my brow bone as well. I'm going to spray some of my setting spray on this as well, just to make it a little bit more intense. So I wasn't happy with how that silver eyeshadow was sitting on my eye, so I'm just going in with the highlight from the contour palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm just going to put this over where we put that silver shade. I feel like that's looking better, and I'm just going to put some of this on my inner corners as well, just to highlight it even more. And then I went in with the fluffy brush to just blend it at the top again and the corners out. So I think I went a wee bit too intense on my inner corner highlight, so I'm just going to take a dense flat brush and I'm just going to blend it out slightly. So this is how the eyeshadow is sitting, and you can probably tell that I do not do like quite bold and out there eyeshadow looks, because it isn't the best, but I feel like it doesn't look that bad either. So I'm just going to go off camera and do my mascara. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, and I will be right back. So this is the finished eyes, and I do actually really quite like them, and this look would look really nice with false eyelashes, but my son has just woke up and he is very crabby, so I don't have enough time to apply them or nothing. And I did go in with a nude lipstick because of how bold the eyes were. I thought I would keep the lips neutral, but overall I do actually really quite like the eyeshadow. I do prefer this eye to this one, and the eyeshadow didn't actually come out the way that I wanted it to. Like, this isn't what I imagined, but it is still really quite nice and I do like it. So that is it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave me a comment down below if you think this eyeshadow look is nice or whatever, or if you try and recreate it, tell me how it worked for you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!